Two major employers in North Texas are going through highly visible labor disputes. American Airlines and Southwest Airlines both reported earnings today that were impacted by those labor contract and union negotiations. Fox 4's Alex Boyer has a closer look for us tonight. Alex.
Hey guys, and you know what's interesting is that both American and Southwest Airlines ended up reporting a revenue that was much higher than analysts had initially predicted. But still, as you mentioned, that both airlines are still dealing with ongoing contract negotiations with several of their unions. That's having a big impact on their bottom lines. And also, if this does drag out, a travel expert says it could eventually impact the traveling public. Fort Worth-based American Airlines made a profit of $192 million in the fourth quarter. That's about triple the profit analysts expected. During an earnings call Thursday, CEO Bob Isom said the airline reported a full-year profit of $1.9 billion.
Demand remains strong, and we've seen robust bookings to start the year as travel trends have begun to normalize.
But the company says current passenger demand and fuel costs may lower profits this year. Then there's the issue of contracts. American was able to finalize a 4-year deal with its pilots last August, but American's flight attendants have voted to strike and are asking the feds again to be released from mediation.
We continue to negotiate with the APFA with the shared goal of reaching a deal that will pay our flight attendants at the top of the industry.
Dallas-based Southwest Airlines is in a similar position with its unions. CEO Bob Jordan said Thursday costs were higher due to recently ratified labor contracts with its pilots. The airline's flight attendants have also voted to strike, unhappy with ongoing negotiations.
We were also working to restore our network, address our staffing needs, and return our aircraft to full utilization. And of course, we were in the middle of negotiations with the majority of our labor unions.
Still, the company reported a full-year profit of $498 million and had a record number of passengers.
I want to thank the people at Southwest Airlines for their dedication, their warrior spirit, their heart, and ultimately for their incredible resilience.
So the numbers aren't phenomenal.
Gabe Saglier is a travel expert. He says it's in the airline's best interest to iron out contracts with all of its unions sooner than later.
There's a tension now being placed on these negotiations, and I think the general public out there is becoming much more aware of where these negotiations stand and how they're affecting the airlines that were flying day in and day out.
And still, Gabe Saglier tells me that the financial future really for both of these carriers appears to be bright, with consumer spending beginning to normalize, he says, in the new year. In his words, travel for 2024 continues to be driven by a robust appetite.